we just got ourselves an Evo X motor, Evo X trans right here, and an Evo X T-case. All for about 1,100 bucks. Has a turbo on it still. Has, I believe, they said it was an ETS charge pipe, ETS coupler, so probably ETS charge pipe. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do with this. Obviously, junkyards like to cut all the wire harnesses out, so all of this is garbage, but the Evo will hopefully be put back together here pretty soon. I'm gonna pop the trunk or the hood. Oh, that latch is pretty stiff. So the Evo X right now has a bad bottom end, needs a new bearing. We have pistons for it, we have bearings, we have everything, crank, everything like that we need for the vehicle. But my thought process is, if this motor is good, which allegedly it is, we can go ahead and just drop that into here. Hold on. Yeah, left it. No shit. Perfect.
Oh, you guys made me eat.
brakes working. Motor is down. The only thing that I have to adjust now is the brake lights, as they are on 24/7 since the pedal is too far forward. It thinks that it's being pushed. Other than that, we're gonna start her up and we're gonna try to take it on its first drive. We just gotta see if these headlights turn on. Silly mistakes.
Silly ass mistakes. Those are the best ones though, because the serious mistakes are the scary ones.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.